If you've ever taken an image that was too dark or too bright and you've done everything you could, you adjusted the shutter speed, you adjusted the aperture, but you still could not get the exposure that you wanted, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to be talking all about ISO. For all the mom photography tips and mom hacks, make sure that you subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Kayla Brint. I'm a motherhood photographer and founder of Mom Photography School, where I teach moms how to take gorgeous everyday photos of their family. And in Mom Photography School, we talk all about ISO. And today I'm going to give you an overview about the topic. And I hear a baby. Somebody wanted to join us for another lesson. So what is ISO? ISO measures the sensitivity of your camera's sensor. If your eyes just glazed over, stay with me here. I promise it is not that complicated. Let's talk about the good old film days. The first thing that a photographer would do would be to assess the lighting situation. They would look and be like, okay, is it a bright and sunny day? Is it overcast? Is it dark out? Am I indoors? And with that information, they would choose the appropriate film. That is exactly what we are doing in digital photography. We are choosing the right ISO for the lighting situation. When you are shooting in low light, that requires a high ISO. When you are shooting and it's extremely bright outside, that's when you can lower your ISO. As a rule of thumb, always use the lowest ISO possible. The higher ISO you get, the more grain or noise will be in an image. Now, this doesn't ruin an image, but we want our images to look as clean as possible, so use the lowest ISO possible. Is this all starting to make sense now? If so, let me know in the comments. If not, let me know which questions you have and I would love to answer them. If you're new to photography, or maybe you're just now diving into manual mode and you get out, you start photographing, and all of a sudden you forget everything that you've learned. I've been there. That's exactly why I created an ISO cheat sheet for you. You can grab it below. The link is in the description. So there you have it, the basics of ISO. Pretty much, if you are in a low lighting situation, you are going to be using a high ISO. This will also give the image a little grain or noise. If you are in a really bright lit situation, like a full sunny day, then you will use a low ISO. As a rule of thumb, always use the lowest ISO possible. To fully understand ISO, we have to understand the other two components in the exposure triangle, which are shutter speed and aperture. So make sure to hop on over to my next video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Say bye. See you soon.